ma'am.
The first one. And executive summary or abstract is going to talk a little about your topic that you're going to research, or about your say about the topic you have researched. मतलब research खत्म हो गया, अभी वो research को लिखने का कैसे present करने का वो देख रहे हैं हम. If it is going to be or a typical project or your thesis, you're going to have it as executive summary. Okay, and then you will write about abstract. Okay, abstract matlab the same thing if it is a research paper. If it is a research paper. Okay. I'll show you what it is. एक पेपर आपको दिखाती हूँ, ठीक है? Just give me a second. what are the physical and mental problems? तो उसके हिसाब से मैं review of literature यहाँ पे निकालूंगी. When I take the review of literature here, what will happen here is it is going to be जब review of literature जब पढ़ूंगी, I will write findings are so my findings may contradict or my findings may be in line. So finally, I will say in review of these literatures, I would like to do the study, right? Then I talk about research methodology. This is my research methodology here, wherein area of study is Mumbai suburb. Then data is collected like this, period of collection. All these are taught. समझ में आ रहा है? Both primary and secondary study. Then what analysis has been made, has been done. What are the objectives of the study, right? इसके basis पे review of literature में निकालूंगी. समझ में आ रहा है? Last?
Yes, ma'am.
Not understand? Did you or did you not?
Understand, ma'am.
Okay. And then whatever data I have collected, okay, I have collected, I will describe here with descriptive statistics. Okay, मेरा data ये describe किया है, age group, and then there's a graph, then there's a write-up for the graph. Okay, then I have a table here based on the education level, and this thing that is also described here. You see, every table has a number, every graph has a number with a heading. दिख रहा है आपको, right? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
Describe. समझ में आ रहा है? Are you following? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is my final this thing, logistic regression model. It's a analytical tool, wherein conclusively I'm saying what is happening with the people, right? And I've described this. So this is how it is. What are the causes of addiction? And then finally my references. So this is the format of a say, what do you say, a research paper, right? And if it is going to be a thesis or a dissertation, like आपका जो 100 marks project है, या आपका जो say, I mean PhD thesis है, वो उसमें कैसे आता है? I'll clear all the drawings here. I'll start afresh. Okay? So that is what is a research report writing. I'll give you the format as notes also. Abstract, okay. Introduction. Review of literature. research methodology, and then I have my say results and discussions and summary, conclusion, recommendation. Now, next is going to be, if it is going to be a paper research article. If it is going to be a thesis, everything has to be in detail. ठीक है? ये जब छोटे छोटे 10-14 पेजेस के करते हो ना, इसको आपको 200 पेज में करना होगा. जिसे एग्जीक्यूटिव समरी. ओके, देन इंट्रोडक्शन, रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर, ये सब वही रहेगा. ओके, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Sure? Sure, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, what are the characteristics of a research report? First of all, a research report must have a clear statement of problem, right? A research report must have, why did you at all prepare? What is a statement of problem you are addressing? Clear statement of problem, right? And then it should describe the purpose of study, right? And then it should explain the assumptions, say theoretical assumptions that you made, because assumptions can only be theoretical, right? Assumptions made, okay? And then a research report also must see, supposing I assume that people in this age group fall a prey to drug abuse or substance abuse. That is my assumption, so I have collected, right? And people in this area are more addicted to substance due to familial pressure. That is my assumption. Based on that, I have worked on this, right? And I should also write data collection procedure, right? I have to actually plan properly, right? Like I have written there, you saw area of the study, people I have collected from, etc. So I mean, what tools did I use? Questionnaire, interview schedule, jo bhi hai. Okay, and then quality of data. Quality of data is again a central concern. So I must check their validity. There is also checking of validity. Validity checks are there, like content validity, face validity, construct validity, etc. have to be made then and there. Then only quality of construct validity matlab is the theory that I'm testing actually to be researched. And then content of the questionnaire, interview schedule, etc. Right? If it covers everything, yeah, if it covers relevant things, etc. And then phase is like, is it properly designed? Whatever tool I have used. समझ में आ रहा है? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How the data is organized has to be discussed. Organized has to be discussed. And also conclusion concerning the main findings will have to be discussed in detail, right? Then these reports should be made. These reports must be made available for peers, right? समझ में आ रहा है? These reports must be made available for peers for competent papers. समझ में आ रहा है? Class, only when they review,
ma'am.
they tell you their feedback, you will be able to work on it and make it actually doable. समझ में आ रहा है? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Finally, if you can attach your questionnaire in appendix, it will be good. And even in the research report, what you should do is, you should actually list down the index as you write, list of tables, list of figures, ये दिया तो भी अच्छा है, करना पड़ेगा actually if it's a thesis. ठीक है? Any doubts so far? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
I'll photograph and post the notes if possible. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I have to teach you bibliography, which is just a 15-minute session. And then there is one chapter left in your IBF.